In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this pop-up text animation in DaVinci Resolve. So let's just jump into DaVinci Resolve. The first thing you have to do, just click on the Effects under the Editing tab, search for text. You have to choose the text plus, just drag it to the timeline. Let's write word by word, word by word, and choose a font you would like. I think in this case I will use Impact. You can increase the size to this, decrease the tracking a little bit, just a tad, like this. After you have created your text, you just have to click here and choose follower. So next you have to go to the Fusion tab. You can either click on this icon here, or you can just click on the Fusion. This will bring you to the Fusion tab. So the first thing you have to do, click on the template if it's not selected. Then go to the modifiers, then change the transform from characters into words. This basically means that the reveal will be word by word and not by characters. The next thing you have to do is select the size, click on the size here, move this red line to the 10 frame, and then select the size, click here, the keyframes. Now go back to 0 keyframe and reduce X and Y, both of them to 0. Now after this you can go back into timing. In order to prevent this text to pop up at the same time, you can increase the delay. Now you can experiment with this, you can increase or decrease the amount, so you can create this delay effect, longer or shorter, it's up to you. But to me the 1.9 seemed to be the sweet spot. But you can also see this animation is not really smooth at the moment, but you can change this easily by selecting the spline and select all template. Template is actually the text right now. Then click to zoom to fit. I usually zoom out a little bit more, select the entire dots here, both of them, and right click here, go up and select ease and out cubic. Click on out cubic, and this will create a curve, so the animation will be more smooth, as you can see, and you can just fine tune it a little bit. Yeah, this is a little bit more aggressive. So now it is already really good, but I would say maybe one thing I miss is a little bit of bounce. So how about increasing both of them? So as you can see, this sets the effect a little bit more. So now what happens, instead of getting to the 100% size of the word, around 4 frame-ish, that gets the biggest, and it will decrease back to its original size. So now we have a little bit more a bounce effect. I think this makes this text animation more appealing. Just to make this animation smoother, you have to click on Tools, and under Tools, go to Settings and select Motion Blur. You can decrease and increase the quality. I will put it on 10, but be aware that this could be a bit more consuming on your laptop, so you might need to decrease it to 5, 6 or something like that. What I usually like to do with the animation is not to have just an intro of the animation, but also to have an outro when the text disappears. Now, in order to make it very quick and easy, you need to click Shift Space and then type in time and then select Time Stretcher and add this node. If you select the Time Stretcher, remove the keyframe if you have any, go back to frame 0 and click on the keyframe. Then go all the way to keyframe, let's say 80, and type 80. The total frame is 150, so I select 100. Here I click 50, I add a keyframe to 50, and then I go all the way to the end, and I will change the 50 to 0. You have this text animation here, and it will just revert it, so it will disappear the same way as it appeared. I have also created a text animation bundle. If you want to save lots of time, it is very easy to install them and then very easy to use them. I would advise you to check it out, link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. If you want to learn more about how to create text animations, click on the video right here.